In this lesson, I want to show you how to select a label on any object in Adobe Photoshop. There are several ways to do this, but I will tell you about the two most effective ones. The first method is to go to the command panel, right here, select the lasso tool, and hold down Alt so that the lines become sharp and continuous. Selecting a sticker this way may take you some time. Alright. Hold down the left mouse button and release Alt. Now we're drawing with the regular lasso. Let go here. Just like that. And now, in the Layers panel, click on the mask and invert it using the keyboard shortcut. Let's continue. Select the rest. This inverts the selection and fill it in. Now we can crop it, something like this. And it will be done. I'll even press the F12 key. This is a river. It rolls everything back to the very beginning. You can also find it under File. And here is the river button. Here it is. Click it and it brings everything back to our bottle. Now I'll show you the second method. Click on the pen tool. Here you'll notice that there's a small pen icon. And with this tool we can easily place points on the screen. Then connect those points together with a smooth, continuous line. This isn't my first time using this tool, so I know that if you leave this control handle too long, the connection between this point and this one won't work out. Let's shorten it. Take the pen tool and go here and now over here like this. Just like this. In some places where I want a smooth curve, I hold down the left mouse button. Where I want a sharp segment, I just click once. Let's do it this way, and the tool is called Convert to Point tool. It's this little triangle. It allows us to change what we've made without redrawing it. Here I'm pulling a bit too much, and here is the end. Just like that. Now let's select this point. Let's take the pen tool again and start drawing. Connect these 2 points. This is my direction handle being pulled. I don't even know anymore. We carefully connect and make a smooth curve. Something like that. Now, along our work path right here in this window in this one, right click and choose Make Selection. Okay. We can see that it's selected like this. Now, in the Layers panel, click on the mask. And it's done. Here, our sticker is cut out. And we can also scale it down. Just like this. And that's it. This was Robert Evsafi with you. Goodbye, everyone.